Hello everyone. So here's how I make $5,300 day trading Nasdaq in today New York session, right? So as you know from the afternoon, I blow my account trying to short this range in London um, because I was so confident in shorts, as I will explain later about the market structure, a market maker sales model, right? But I blew a funded account with $3,500 in it. But then I make $3,000. I pass a funded account on Future Elite, and I bought three more top step account. Then I waited for New York Open, right? So this is how I make $4,500 on three of my combines, as you can see, and $800 for my funded elite accounts, right? So as you can see, uh, let me let me change the privacy up here now, right? So realized profit $900. Okay, so like $5,400. Mm, yeah. So first, I have to explain why I was so short bearish. So short bias coming into the day. um, from Tuesday, right? We market open without taking all these internal low, right? So that was very irritating and very sussy, right? Look at this. Like you cannot say that this look like a pool of liquidity if you trade ICT, right? Secondly, in Wednesday, the same thing happened, right? Market open right here, pool of liquidity right there, like pool of liquidity right there. So I was like, I wasn't confident in longs in those days, but I did caught some longs here because of the displacement candle that I had on those days. Please ignore the background noises because my brother's playing. But anyway, so price start dumping down since last PM session, right? And then in Asia, price dumped down. I think okay, maybe we just displacing right now without waiting for New York, right? But if you trade ICT, you understand that this is utterly stupid because without time, price will not move, right? ICT is literally time and price, right? Without time, price will not move. So what do we have? We have a um, expansion. So what do we expect next? Consolidations or reversal, right? There's no there you cannot expand forever, right? You need retracement, consolidations, right? So today at London, there's this weird candle that looked like a new candle, and if you mark this candle out, we took it pre-market, right? Took this candle high pre-market with all these highs. Okay, I wasn't so sure in short still because we can definitely go up higher and then tap into and then take out all these. I don't want to marry to my bias like what I did in the afternoon, so that's why I waited. What we have here is price taking out all these highs and then start chopping around, still respecting this candle high, and market open dumps down higher. This candle for me is already qualified enough to be a top ticker, right? A protected swing, right? And anyone who trade this, I swear there's a lot gonna be top ticker today. Caught this move, but anyways, respect this gap perfectly. Go down, um, and then we have a 1 minute retracement, right? So what I think as of right here is that okay, I know that my draw is lower. I know that is far away, and I know that all these highs up here are protected. So what did I do? I waited and I waited and I need a body candle that close around halfway through the wick of this candle, right? So I got my entry in right here. Risk was super small, $500 times three account is $1,500. and my TP was below this low because I need to secure a $1,500 a day, which is a mistake by me because in my rule set there's I should never place my stop loss on my TP based on the dollar amount, right? It should always be paid based on structure, right? So it should have been these, wick lows, right? It should have been these wick lows, and it did reject for a moment right there, which I fully embraced to get break even or to get a small profit because I broke my rule and I deserve to have that, but price didn't, and it dumped down nicely right here. And yeah, since then price is dumping and it's very close to the draw right now. I think if you enter short right now, it will go to the draw with a 1-to-1 like this. I think it's gonna hit, but, but yeah, I'm done for a day. Make my quick money. This execution chart, right? And this should and on my funded account I enter kind of late, so I have to wait for a rebalance, right? I have to wait for a rebalance to this candle. I think I know that these are protected swing. My risks are so small. I don't really mind entering late, and my draws on this trade is the 15 these candle lows, right? This candle low right here specifically. I don't want to target this. It's just too high. It's just too far away, and it does mess up my consistency rules. I aim just to go for a $2,000 account balance for this account. So yeah, so as you can see, this trade right here hit for a 1-to-1. I didn't caught that, but all I'm trying to say, and the moral of the story is, um, if you follow your rules, thing like this will never happen to you, and thing like this will start happening to you, right? Thing like this will start happening to you if you know what you're doing and you actually waited and you actually be patient to do what you supposed to do, right? So that is one trade. I make total one trade today, um, and it's it's had more profit than 28 trade combined, like just with one contract. So that just show you how crazy it is to put into perspective that like following your rules and not revenge trading, not FOMO into a new trade like this one right here will take you far in trading. And I hope this is just the beginning of a journey for me. I know I'm still incompetent, but from the loss I had, I will be better. I will be better. I will follow my rules. If I don't follow my rules, I will post it on YouTube and you guys will see me fail or you guys will see me successful. But I promised to myself that I will follow my rules, right? So enough yapping. It was actually a very, very nice day for me. And yeah, all target taken today. One candle, 200 points. Imagine if I still had this account, right? I would be, I would be up so much. I swear. Like I know my personality. Um, if I trade this, if I actually lock myself out for New York, I would catch this short right here with two contracts. I'm not a one contract person, but I have to de-risk after what happened right here. Right? But yeah, let's just show you that breaking your rules will only bring you misery and despair. And it's actually heartbreaking for me to see this right now because I know I'm right. My prediction is right. My analysis for the whole day is right, right? I know today it has to take out these low, right? It has to take out this low, has to take out this low. But yeah, it is what it is. Um, I will try to secure, right? Thank you for watching and see you guys in my next trade recap.